Hello and welcome. Today we will be conducting a lab that teaches students that creativity is needed to experiment and solve challenges in science. The name of this lab is Float Your Boat. The materials you will need include a large bucket, water, aluminum foil, and pennies. The Sunshine State standards in this lab have students recognize that science involves creativity in designing experiments. The inquiry question for today's lab is, you and your classmates are stranded on an island with only 3 1-square-foot pieces of aluminum foil. Make a boat to float 50 people or pennies across the ocean back to safety. You only get 3 tries. The conclusion statement for today's lab is, a boat floats because of buoyancy. You want your boat to have a large flat bottom and have the most volume. Now on to the lab. Alright, so every student is going to make a different boat from aluminum foil. Every boat's going to be different because every student has a different mindset. Every boat has to fit 50 pennies though. So here's my boat, and I'm going to go ahead and start loading pennies. 1, 2, 3. And there are my 50 pennies. As you can see, my boat is still floating, and I have successfully rescued 50 people from our stranded island. A possible question to ask your students is, what is buoyancy? That's all for today's lab. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you next time.